focus is on modeling for metals additive manufacturing. But when you look at what NASA does, they do missions. And they do missions into space mainly. And so they have multiple needs for special vehicles. And those vehicles, rockets, for example, satellites, are always in need of special pieces that are essentially one-off things. Additive manufacturing is an absolutely ideal technology because it allows you to make a design, go into the additive manufacturing lab, make that part, and then try out that part in whatever system that you're trying to build, and have a very short design, build, test cycle. Our principal partner will be the Johns Hopkins University, where Somnath Ghosh is going to be my co-director of the SDRI. And Hopkins has great depth in materials modeling, and in other words, predicting the performance of the parts that we make via printing. We anticipate that our SDRI will have considerable impact over time. It will allow NASA researchers to take that part and the design and the process and predict the properties. How well is that part going to perform?